Welcome to Tech Research. If you have iPhone and you use iMessenger application to day transfer your information or messages one person to another person, and sometimes if you visit on iMessage application, so here dictation feature is available. So how you can disable this dictation, turn it on and off. If it is not on, you should use these tips and tricks. You can very easily on this process. And if you want off the dictation, so same process you should apply. How to do it? Let's start on my iPhone screen. iPhone screen is here. So I just simply open here message application and then enter here message, and look at this here, the text message dot sms, and here the mic is available. If I tap here, so if I am speaking something, so this one is recorded. It means dictation, speech to text conversation going on here. Sometimes this button is by mistakenly turn it, we can very by mistakenly turn it off like this, and if you're speaking something, so the message automatically gone. So how you can disable this one? It's very easy. Or if you want change this one, how to do it? It's very easy. Simply first of all enter here settings section, then search here the app section, type here message. So here the message application is available. If you tap here, just simply enter here message application and scroll down here. So here option is showing show in the text field. If you tap here, so here three different options are available. You can record the screen, record audio like this. If I look at this here, the automatically change. You can long tab here and afterwards your message record. This one is a speech to speech transfer. Stop and you can share your message directly on voice recording point of view. If you enter here, if you can start dictation, it means speech to text conversation. We can go back here again. So look at this here. Now it's enable speech to text feature here. If you tab here, so and then if you want turn it off the both two features, I don't want any of the features like a speech to speech or not speech to text conversation. So look at this here. Now the feature is gone. Using this process, you can very easily turn it off the dictation, speech, and turn it on as well. This is the very simple way you can turn it on and off speech dictation in your iMessage application in iPhone. Sometimes you are speaking something and automatically convert as a text format, and you by mistakenly send it those messages. Using this process, you can stop this one. If you have any question related on iPhone, any application, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.